Hello guys, how are you? In this tutorial I will show you how to create a website uh, in a HTML code. So let's start here. uh, this is our computers and we are going to create a new folder in any C or E drive. So here's I'm going to create a new folder, new websites folder. So the reason to create new folders is actually manage to all resources using to create a website. So here's the first thing you can do here. Right click here, new and text document. Okay, this is simple text documents opening in notepad. Double click this text document. So type here HTML code, dot type HTML, close HTML tag and head, and inside head title tag is using first website. Close title tag and also close head tag. Start body tag and close body tag. This is the main tag of the HTML code. All the stuffs regarding tables, list, headings, paragraphs will be stored in body tags. This will show the output in the browser. Suppose a head, first page, close head h1, and this is p tag, paragraph, first paragraph, close p tag. Now your HTML code is completed, and go to save and file, go to file and save as index.html, save as type all files, save. So this is your index file. Right click here and open this file in browser. So this is your required output: first page, first paragraph. Okay, so this is website helping websites of W3 schools. You can learn here from all the HTML tags, some basics, elements, attributes, headings, paragraphs, and also you can how to insert an image in HTML document, tables, list. All these stuffs are here to guide to how to insert these tags in the HTML code. And you can get the help from this websites. Suppose this is the table code, you can copy here the table tag and paste in your document here and save. Control S. So refresh the page. This is your card. So that's it. From this basic code you can practice yourself and you can create some advanced level websites uh, by doing these steps again and again. So thank you very much.